Road managers are looking at ways to get traffic moving quicker and safer in Rexburg. As Local News 8's Seth Ratliff shows us, removing a traffic light might help.
The Idaho Transportation Department is doing a new study on a traffic light in Rexburg. They will be turning off the traffic lights at the intersection to the Cow Ranch parking lot on North 2nd East.
During the month of April, we're just asking everybody to act as if the light were not there.
They hope to see if safety and traffic will improve without the light.
Part of our concern is anytime you're stopping, slowing traffic, that reduces safety. So having a light there that isn't needed, first of all, there's an expense, but second, it's also a safety issue.
East Idaho has grown exponentially in the last 5 years. Optimizing city roads is just one example of how ITD has been working ahead of time to keep up with the growing population.
We're constantly looking at traffic data. We have automatic traffic counters all throughout the state. And we watch accident data, fatalities, and we're constantly looking at how can we improve safety, improve traffic flow, and prepare for the future.
Major projects include diverging diamond interchanges in Rexburg, Chubbuck, and Pocatello. But the department has also put an emphasis on preparing city roads for greater traffic.
We're looking at Ashton. We're adding a light there as the highways come together, and we're working with the city on that. We are working with American Falls on the intersections you enter into town.
Idaho Transportation Department says they'll turn off the lights starting Sunday, April 3rd. Reporting in Rexburg, I'm Seth Ratliff.